Welcome to Preveli Beach and Gorge. This is another pretty popular destination. I mean, there were a fair amount of cars. Definitely less the cars than Matala Beach. But our goal is the Gorge. Maybe not necessarily the beach. I'd like to go up the gorge and do a little bouldering if there's any. The gorge we were in before this, the one that starts with a K that I can't pronounce, was honestly amazing and fantastic. Apart from the water being freezing, it was so good. I have no words. It was so good. Okay. So we just have to, those locals let me know that there's quite a lot of stairs to get down to the beach from here, which, oh wow, is way over there. Oh no, they're coming towards us. It looks like there's another alternative route to get here, or get to the beach by parking on the other side there. I didn't know that was an option. Oh, I think I just rolled my ankle. But, ow, after some stretching, it seems to be okay. There are quite a lot of stairs. But, as we know, ow, I just rolled my ankle again, motherfucker. Jesus. Okay, well, I've successfully rolled my ankle twice coming down these stairs. There are quite a lot of stairs. And some of the stones are slick. This is going to be a pain in the ass to come back up, but it should be worth it. I mean, it looks like it's worth it from this view. Alright, well, it's not a vacation if you don't get yourself completely worn out. Whew. I'm gonna have to climb up this whole fucking mountain to get back. Hopefully I'll have some energy still to climb into the gorge. Alright, we're now in the palm grove of Preveli Beach. Beach is behind me. Let's see where this goes. Ooh, and look, water's right here. Oh, nice swimming spots. Let's see if we can get a little more isolated. Sounds like there's a fall up ahead. Alright, looks like we got some bouldering here. Alright, so I am fine getting wet, especially in my hiking boots. As long as I don't get my backpack wet, I'm fine getting in at least halfway. That's the goal, and we'll see how far I can get. Probably take the river back. Just walk. Whoa. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. This is what I was looking for. Preveli Gorge. That's good. Okay, we are in the water now. Gotta say, this is pretty good. I'm about waist deep in this water. Haven't gotten the backpack wet, but this is really awesome. This is what I love. It reminds me of Puerto Rico at the rainforest gorge. Well, we're at the end of the line of climbable, easily climbable locations. If I didn't have the backpack, I'd be able to keep going, but I feel that I've definitely gone far enough. These are the last people out here. Alright, that was easy enough. A lot of people here posting for pictures, but it is a beautiful place, so sounds about right. The water feels really nice as well, so popular. Ooh, that's a nice shot. This is actually pretty nice. I mean, I know I stick out like a sore thumb because I'm not wearing a bathing suit and I got hiking boots on and I'm wearing a shirt, but this is actually really full, honestly. If I could come back here and actually just swim, that would be really cool. And so our arduous climb up the mountain to the car begins. Whew. This was a nice place. while I didn't go to the beach, the gorge was pretty awesome. Not as good as the first place, but it's different. Alright. Okay, we made it up the mountain. Just took my time, stopped when I needed to stop, and it wasn't that bad. As long as we get up the mountain, that's the goal. Timing doesn't matter.